So, let's talk about my favorite piece of wood in the PipeVape collection. Unlike most other vaporizers, the PipeVape has a magical screen that tells me everything I need to know. The temperature setting, the battery level, and a session timer. Let's power on with 5 easy clicks, and in just 30 to 40 seconds, I'm ready to get baking. See how it gives me that suave, sophisticated, distinctive look? That's exactly what I'm looking for, and as you can see, it works exquisitely. Although I like to bake my herb at 400 degrees, you can easily adjust the temperature with the buttons on the side. Now, let's examine the heating process. The PipeVape has a deep, round, ceramic chamber for baking my herb to perfection. For best results, I highly recommend loading half to 2/3 full. As you can see, I grind my herb to a medium fine grind. This particular herbal blend is one of many Forbidden Flower CBD products at LordVaporPens.com. Cleaning is easy. The mouthpiece comes off, and you just soak the screen for about 20 minutes in rubbing alcohol. Now, you're probably wondering, what's in the box? A USB charging cable, whatever that may be, a loading tool, and replacement rings for the mouth. Purchase yours today at LordVaporPens.com, and do be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share.